So this is a little bit of a special project. As you can see, it is it's not in the best condition. So the client, they're gonna have the entire car repainted. They said that if we wanted to, we could have the car for a week or so and get it all buffed out and and see what we can do. It does have the flares; those are painted, just some black spray paint. The side skirts are black spray paint. The rear bumper here is like a old plasti dip. So some of this I can't touch. But as you can see, the part that is painted, we're also going to be doing a little bit of debadging on it. The stuff that is paint, the doors, pillars, roof, fenders, hood, a lot of the car still does have paint. So we'll be seeing how those go. But the real reason that he wanted to come by was to have us polish and ceramic coat these custom 3-piece wheels. This will be the main project. looks it. We did the full correction on the car, did the coating. We did coat the windshield and the back window. And then, as you know, in the video, you'll see, you saw how we did do the wheels. They got fully polished. I think I had to polish these things like 3 or 4 times each. And then those did receive IGO Kenzo, so it doesn't really see that much travel. The wheels aren't going to really see that much abuse, so we can kind of justify using the Kenzo versus wheel, which is what we would use on a daily driver, someone that sees a little bit more use. He's coming back tonight, put the wheels back on, get the car back on the ground, and then he's taking it home. Just got to kind of clean up, do a little bit of the touch-up, the smaller, finer detailing work for the exterior. It does need a repaint, but at least it looks phenomenal for the time being until he can get everything painted. So we look forward to seeing the car again, and I'm super excited to see how it looks with the wheels on it, with the tire shine on the tires and the wheels back on. It should look really good. The IGO coating definitely made a big difference, and it will make a huge difference going forward when he goes to wash it.